So, how do you unlink your Google account from Etsy? So, to start off, I have already logged in my Etsy account in the browser. So, this doesn't really work with the mobile version of Etsy. So, you need to log in your account in any browser you have in your phone. So, to start off, let's open up the profile version here. Now, let's click on account settings. And here we need to head over to security and scroll down until we see the third-party accounts. Now here you will see all the listed third-party accounts that is currently connected to your account. So for the Google, as you can see, it is already connected to my Gmail. Now if I want to disconnect it, I just need to click on the X beside it. And as you can see, the account has been disconnected from Google. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.